Welcome back to Muscle Car. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting revivals of the year, the 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air. Chevy has brought back this legendary nameplate with a modern twist, blending classic styling with cutting-edge technology. If you're a fan of muscle cars and American automotive heritage, this one's for you. The 2025 Bel Air pays tribute to its 1950s roots while embracing a futuristic design. It features a bold front grille with retro-inspired chrome accents, sleek LED headlights, and a sculpted body that echoes the timeless appeal of its predecessors. The roofline has a fastback style flow, giving it a sporty stance, while the signature two-tone paint options add to its nostalgic charm. Chevy has perfectly balanced classic aesthetics with modern aerodynamics. Under the hood, things get even more exciting. The new Bel Air offers multiple powertrain options, including a 6.2-liter V8 pushing out over 450 horsepower. For those looking for a more fuel-efficient yet powerful option, a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six with hybrid assistance delivers an impressive mix of performance and efficiency. And for the first time ever, there's even an all-electric variant featuring dual motors, producing nearly 600 horsepower with instant torque. Whether you want the roar of a V8 or the futuristic speed of an EV, the 2025 Bel Air has something for everyone. Step inside, and you're greeted by a blend of vintage charm and modern luxury. The dashboard design nods to the original Bel Air, with chrome trim and a digital instrument cluster cleverly designed to resemble classic analog gauges. A massive touchscreen infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an advanced AI-driven assistant. High-quality leather seats, ambient lighting, and a premium Bose sound system ensure a comfortable and stylish ride. Chevy has also packed this car with the latest safety tech, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. On the road, the Bel Air delivers a smooth yet exhilarating driving experience. The V8 variant growls with authority, sending power to the rear wheels through a 10-speed automatic or an optional 6-speed manual for purists. The hybrid model offers an excellent balance of power and economy, while the EV version provides instant acceleration that rivals modern supercars. With adaptive suspension and advanced traction control, this car handles like a dream, whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling tight corners. The 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's a celebration of Chevy's history while embracing the future of performance and technology. Whether you're a classic car enthusiast or a modern muscle car fan, this reborn legend is sure to turn heads wherever it goes. What do you think about the 2025 Bel Air? Is it the perfect blend of past and future, or should Chevy have left this classic untouched? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching Muscle Car. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and don't forget to like and subscribe.